Tool theft is on the rise and you can't earn a living without your kit. I'm going to show you a product that can help keep your valuable tools safer than ever. The Van Vault Stacker XL provides lots of secure drawer space for valuable tools. It can be used on its own as a single drawer, or it can be bolted onto the bottom of a Van Vault 2 or another Stacker XL, providing extra storage without taking up any more floor space in your van. Its heavy-duty steel construction has been designed to withstand the most determined attack, and it features the Vault Lock locking system, a highly effective disc lock shielded by a hardened steel plate, giving advanced protection from drilling, cutting and picking. The Stacker XL is so secure, it's certified by Secured by Design, the UK's official police-approved standard. And to make your working day easier, the Stacker XL provides loads of room to fit your kit inside. Thieves will always want to get into your van, but the Van Vault Stacker XL means they leave empty-handed. Load it, lock it, and get on with the job at hand. Van Vault, stored and secured.